In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClickUp dashboard reports as PDFs. To start, you'll want to head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you have multiple accounts or spaces, make sure you're logging into the right one where your reports are stored. This is important because your dashboards are tied to the respective account and space. Once you're logged in, you'll be navigating to the Spaces section. Spaces are essentially like different work environments or departments within your ClickUp setup. So, select the specific space that contains the dashboard reports you want to download. It's a good practice to double check that you're in the correct space, as this will ensure you're getting the data that you need. After you're in the right space, look for the dashboard option and click on it. This will take you to where your dashboards are managed. Dashboards in ClickUp are powerful tools that give you an overview of your projects and tasks, and containing vital data that may be useful in discussions or presentations, which is why downloading them as PDFs can be very beneficial. Now, here's an important step. Once you're viewing the dashboard, you want to locate the three dots icon, which is typically in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon represents additional options you can perform on that page or section. It's like a hidden menu that reveals more features when clicked. From this menu, you need to select the Export View option. Think of this as the key that unlocks the ability to take the information from your dashboard out of ClickUp and into a ready-to-share format. Finally, you'll see the Download PDF option. Click on that, and your download should start automatically. Keep in mind, the speed at which your PDF is downloaded can vary based on the size of the dashboard and your internet connection. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your ClickUp dashboard report as a PDF. Remember that PDFs are widely used file formats due to their portability and readability, making them perfect for sharing with team members, stakeholders, or even just for archiving purposes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you've gained a better understanding of how to make the most of ClickUp's powerful reporting features. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.